Speaking symbols.
Let's talk about working styles.
Question 1. Are you a morning person?
Well, I consider myself a morning person. That is because I tend to be more alert, focused, and productive in the morning. I find it easier to start my day early and tackle tasks when my energy levels are higher.
Question 2. Would you prefer to work as a part of a team or individual?
Working as a part of a team is my preference. Teamwork can bring together diverse perspectives, distribute responsibilities, and offer the opportunity to learn from others. Moreover, it's a great way to become more creative.
Question 3. What kind of people do you most like to work with?
Well, I like to collaborate with people who are open-minded, communicative, and motivated. It's important that team members can express their thoughts effectively and cooperate smoothly to achieve common goals.
Let's talk about exams.
Question 1. How do you feel before an exam?
I usually feel a mix of nervousness and excitement before an exam. It's normal to feel anxious, but I try to use that energy to remain focused and prepared. Plus, I always remind myself of the satisfaction of doing well.
Question 2. What kind of person are you? Prepare long before the exam or prepare just before the exam?
I like to get ready for exams well in advance. Instead of studying in a rush at the last minute, I choose to study consistently over an extended period. This method helps me better understand the material and become more confident.
Question 3. What should we do to have a good result in an exam?
To achieve positive results in an exam, it's important to start preparing early, create a study schedule, and review the material regularly. Additionally, we should manage stress, stay calm, and get enough rest during the exam.